Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Azure users face when working with Data Factory pipelines. The infamous Azure Data Factory copy activity pipeline taking an inordinate amount of time to execute problem. If you've ever found yourself waiting for what feels like an eternity for your pipeline to complete, you're not alone. This topic is especially important because it can significantly impact the performance and efficiency of your data integration workflows. In this video, we'll break down the key factors that contribute to slow pipeline execution times, discuss potential solutions, and provide actionable tips to help you optimize your Azure Data Factory pipeline. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to troubleshoot and resolve this common issue, saving you time and frustration in the long run. So, what causes an Azure Data Factory copy activity pipeline to take an inordinate amount of time to execute? To answer this question, let's dive into some key concepts. First, it's essential to understand that Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based data integration service that allows you to create, schedule, and manage your data pipeline. The copy activity is one of the most commonly used activities in Azure Data Factory, responsible for copying data from a source dataset to a sync dataset. However, this process can be influenced by various factors, including data size and complexity. The larger and more complex your datasets are, the longer it takes to copy them. Network bandwidth and latency, the speed at which data is transferred between sources and syncs, depends on network conditions. Compute resource allocation. Insufficient compute resources can bottleneck pipeline performance. To mitigate these issues, consider implementing the following strategies. Optimize your dataset partitioning strategy to reduce data processing time. Utilize Azure's high-performance networking capabilities to minimize latency. Scale up or scale out your compute resources to handle larger workloads efficiently. In addition to these technical solutions, it's also crucial to monitor and troubleshoot your pipeline performance regularly. By keeping a close eye on execution times, data transfer rates, and resource utilization, you can quickly identify bottlenecks and take corrective action before issues escalate. To summarize the main points discussed in this video, Azure Data Factory copy activity pipelines can be slow due to various factors such as data size, network conditions, and compute resources. Optimizing dataset partitioning, leveraging high-performance networking, and scaling up or out compute resources can help improve pipeline performance. Regular monitoring and troubleshooting are vital for identifying bottlenecks and ensuring optimal pipeline execution time. That's all for today's video on Azure Data Factory copy activity pipelines taking an inordinate amount of time to execute. We hope you found this content informative and helpful in addressing your specific pain points. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more engaging and educational content on Azure data integration and related technologies. We're always here to help you learn and grow. Thanks again for watching.